Yo, what is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. So it's freaking humid, guys, right now. It's sunny, but it was raining earlier. It's so musty up in this garage right now, so hope you guys got the AC going while you're watching this video. If you guys are sweating and if you guys are musty, anyways, guys, today I'm finally gonna paint match the lip and the wing on the S2000. So I actually just picked up some Home Depot paint. So the thing with black cars, guys, it's black, you know, so you don't really have to go crazy with the paint match. I mean, black is pretty much gonna come out black unless, you know, it's like a black purple or some shit like that. But it's black is black, guys. So yeah, so literally picked up this can for $3, guys. $3. So I'm gonna paint match the lip and the wing with that. Alright, guys, so before today's video gets started, I want to give a huge thanks to Vikings War of Clans for sponsoring today's video. Guys, so this game is huge. There's over 20 million people across the world playing this game. 20 million people, guys. This game is growing so fast. So Vikings War of Clans was inspired by early 90s RPG and strategy games such as Civilization, Command and Conquer. So all my older people watching this video, I know you guys are really going to appreciate this game. So what I love most about this game, guys, is that there's so many different ways to play this game, and the game is always evolving by never-ending fighting over resources, forging new alliances, and competing in live events. So basically, this game is awesome, guys. It's freaking awesome, and you should download it, like right now. So if you guys really enjoy the videos and want us to keep making more, make sure to support the channel by clicking down the link in the description box down below to Vikings War of Clans. And guys, if you download this game to the link down below, you guys will get 200 free coins and an initial shield. So guys, you guys will be set to go by clicking down the link in the description box. So guys, what are you waiting for? It's an awesome game. Don't sleep on it. So again, thank you to Vikings War of Clans for sponsoring today's video. And with that being said, let's get right back to the video. So for the lip, I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm literally just gonna wipe it down with some acetone and then paint it like that. But for the wing, I actually bought some primer, and I'm also gonna sand it down just a little bit because it's resin. There's like a lot of bumps and imperfections. So yeah, guys, so for the wing, I'm actually gonna take my time, but for the lip, it's gonna be really quick. Oh, I forgot clear coat. Do you have clear coat laying around?
I don't know if you want to look over there.
Let's see. I knew I was forgetting something. Yeah, that's a lot of cans, guys. Oh, clear. Oh, but it's missing a nozzle. But it's kind of cool. Oh, here we go, guys. Glass clear. It's like halfway full. We are set. What are you whining about, huh? What are you whining about? Don't bite my mic again.
Roxy!
Hey, do not bite the mic, alright? I'm gonna buy you a toy that looks like my mic. Anyways, guys, also while I'm doing that, Leo the mad freaking scientist has all this stuff going on over here. So Leo, what you want to tell me why you have this desoldering pump? Not a solder, a desoldering pump, guys. He also has the ECU out. He has a bunch of stuff. He bought a new solder. He has some nail polish remover. Leo, what's going on here?
What? I thought you were painting our nails.
Oh yeah, what color? I was thinking like a
Green, maybe?
a green?
Yeah.
Like a forest green?
Yeah.
Ooh. Nah, but for real, Leo, what's going on here? Wait, hold on, low key. Like if we stand right here, it looks like a cooking show. Like, like just right here. Hey, baby. Don't what did I say about the mic? Okay. So you taking this. Look. It's your last chance, alright? What the hell, why you hit me?
And I gotta buy all kinds of shit to do it.
So you're gonna desolder it too?
I gotta. Alright, so there's like a. Here, I'll show you. I'll just take it off.
Hate me, dude.
Alright. So there's these ribs right here. If I remember right, there's 20 of them that I gotta desolder.
Okay.
And from that, this right here.
Hold on, guys. Quick ice cream break. You already know it's hot as hell out here. Guys, support your local ice cream people, okay? But anyways, we're gonna get right back to it. It's really hot, so we're gonna try and enjoy this before it melts. I'm gonna get right back to it. Alright guys, back from the ice cream. How was the ice cream go?
It's pretty good.
It's fire. So, where were we?
Oh yeah. So, what I gotta do is desolder these little, it's like about 20 of them, if I remember right, top and bottom, to insert this side of this fucking strip. And then this actually connects to this right here, to this board. And what I'm assuming, this is what's reprogrammable.
Okay.
So I'll be able to tune my car with this. So then I'll just bolt this, I think goes right here. I don't know. I have no clue where the fuck this goes.
I mean, it looks pretty.
Doesn't seem that hard.
Yeah.
It's just so tiny, so it looks a little nerve-wracking, but.
Yeah, there's a lot of tiny stuff going on in there. But yeah, guys, Leo's gonna get cracking on that. And also, guys, if he gets this, then the car is literally gonna be that.
There's already a base map in there for that setup, so.
He's literally gonna be able to turn it on. He just needs like a few sensors. But he might be able, you just need the mass airflow.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna put on a, I forget what, N60 or N62 mass airflow sensor. And I'll be solid after that. And then that sensor will make me be able to go over, I think, like 300 horsepower or something like that. Something, I don't know, something like that. Because I know that mass airflow sensor is only capable of like 10. I mean, it'll work with my stock setup, but
yeah,
why not
go
over?
Yeah, that's true.
That's one less thing I have to worry about.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, so literally he's gonna be able to turn on the car with this ECU, so.
I still need to put my battery to the trunk because there's no room.
Oh yeah, he needs to relocate the battery.
Because the fans don't fit.
So it's very close, guys, very, very close. So Leo's gonna get cracking on that. I'm gonna get cracking on the lip and the wing outside, and I'm not looking forward to it because, whew, yeah, I can really feel that heat. But Mama and Ray's note, so we're gonna, I don't even know. All right, so let's go. Let's get it. All right, guys. So first off, I'm gonna dab some of this nail polish remover onto this rag, and I'm gonna just wipe down my lip and then just paint it when it dries. So guys, Leo was gonna buy acetone, but acetone at the store for like the actual acetone was like $8. We went to Target, picked this up for like like $1, guys. So yeah, guys, fun fact if you're trying to save some money. It says 100% acetone, so I don't see why not. It won't work. So I'm gonna dab some on there and then wipe off the lip.
What the fuck? So I'm assuming this is the pump. It locks in there, and as you heat it up, you just. And I'm assuming it just sucks it up.
Hey, I'm gonna need that for when me and my girl. Never mind. All right, let's go wipe this down. All right, guys, just wipe down the lip. So while that fully dries, I'm actually gonna start masking everything off since I am gonna paint it on the car. So yeah, I'm gonna just put some like masking tape and just go along the lip and then put paper all around it, so, and also some under it so we don't get any overspray. Yeah, guys, I'm really excited. So it looks like before it's kind of like dry, so hopefully we get that gloss when we're done.
Actually quite critical. We'll have a lot of trouble moving this if you have any coating left on there.
Alright guys, here is Andy's signature masking. Honestly, A1 stuff here, guys. So now I'm finally ready for the paint. So I grabbed this little piece of cardboard, so I'm gonna just slide it under the lip as I paint so I don't get any overspray on the driveway. And yeah, guys, so I'm thinking I'm gonna paint like half of the lip and then leave the other half so you guys can see like a little comparison. And I gotta get that spot right there, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna paint half the lip so you guys can see like a little before and after. So let's get it, guys. Alright guys, so change of plans. I started painting it and the paint's laying like really, you guys can see that it's like laying down really textury. So what we're gonna do is I sanded it down and I started putting some primer down, so the paint looks way smoother on this side, so I'm pretty confident that now that with this, that the black paint should lay down as smooth as that, because look at that, guys, it's like so nice and smooth. And then over here it's really textury, so yeah, I'm gonna sand that over again and then primer it and try this again. So this is how it came out, guys. You can't really tell on camera, but there is quite a bit of orange peel, so I'm gonna have to wet sand it, and yeah, I'm actually color sand it and get all the little orange peel out. But right now I'm not the happiest because of the orange peel, but I know it will look better, so I guess I can't complain for, you know, some cheap paint. But it did come out really clean, like right here. Looks pretty good. I hear something behind me. Look at these guys. What a guy. What a guy. Come here, baby. Wolfie. Wolfie. Come here. Wolfie.
Hey.
Wolfie. Come here. Come here, baby. Aw, he's so cute. So cute. So cute.
He's gonna fucking.
Alright, guys, so I haven't been updating you guys in the past hour, but Squad is here, Marcel, and I showed you Sloppy Pasta Monster. But guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you would know I posted up the B20 for sale, and it sold the same day, guys. So
Hey Jesse, where'd you find that shit?
yeah, I know I'm just throwing this on you guys all of a sudden, but yeah, B20 is gone. Me and Leo are gonna rip it out Monday. I'ma for sure buy Leo fucking dinner for helping me out. But
Buy me the hood.
oh yeah,
How much is the hood?
like $40.
Dude,
Alright guys, so we're going to I'm gonna find a junkyard hood for Leo. But anyways, guys, yeah, I have the cash already. Motor is gone, guys. So I mean, it's not technically gone, it's still in the Civic, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna let you guys guess what's going on, but the Civic has no engine, basically. Every kiss does begin with K, guys. Anyways, guys, so basically what I want to do with the Civic was Leo is actually gonna do a full makeover on the F as well, which is right here. So Leo's gonna do the full shebang. He's gonna paint it, do body work and all that. And also, guys, I'm gonna do the same to the Civic. A lot of you guys were also commenting about that. So yeah, I got motivation also. So basically, me and Leo are gonna shave the bay, paint the cars, body work and all that. And it'll be easier to take the motor out, so that's why I was like, I might as well sell it. The car's gonna be sitting like that because I really want to take my time. So guys, I got months to save up for the next motor. I'll let you guys guess in the comments. But with that being said, guys, here is the lip. It's starting to look better, probably because the sun is going down. But yeah, guys, it doesn't look too bad. I'm still gonna wet sand it, but I don't have time for that right now. But it doesn't look too bad, guys. $3 rattle can from Home Depot. So guys, like I said, black is black, and if you take your time, it's gonna look good. So I'll keep you guys updated. It's not gonna happen this episode, but it is gonna happen.
Every night before bed we watch it. Get him, Wolfie, get him! Get him! Get him! You're the worst attack dog I've ever had. You be calm, okay?
Gin and juice, laid back.
We got Snoop Dogg over
We
there.
got Snoop D-O-double-G from Long Beach, and we got Snoop and
Look, dude, I'm not into
Mac
dog
Miller.
fights. Look, man.
What? Make that
Not
noise
in a
again.
fight, they're both puppies.
Make that noise again.
He's gonna get scared.
there's a difference between puppy and a big ass puppy.
Bro, he's just straight dogging him, bro.
Nah, he gonna start smashing. Watch.
Okay? You okay? You scared?
He said, "Oh fuck no."
Not me, fool him.
Oh, that dude found us.
No. No.
Hey, sit.
Look, buddy. Sit down, okay? You'll be cool. Look. Hey, you be nice. You be nice.
Yeah, that's how you know he gay, because he don't like girls.
That's true, bro. She was all up in his like nuts and shit.
Sniffing his package.
Hey, whatever my boy wants to be, he can
She
be.
love red lipstick.
Is that right, boy?
Go on and get you some booty.
Whoa, you got the red rainbow brakes on that thing.
Knock it off.
The block is hot. Wolfie, stop!
Your bald ass.
Hey!
What's your bald ass? Look! You got hair on the top
Leave
of your
my
head.
buddy alone.
My shirt's wrinkly, don't blame me.
Well, I didn't even notice your wrinkly shirt until you pointed it out, bro.
Then edit that out.
Huh? That's serious.
Let's go then. I'm down.
Hey, Joseph.
You should have told me I have a switch at my house. I have the white out at my house.
Real quick. Do you notice?
Cut that out.
Do you notice anything different about my car? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds, or else it was not worth it.
Hold on, give me a second.
5,
Joseph.
4,
I feel
3,
Hey, sit.
2,
Sit.
1. I painted the lip. Thanks.
Oh.
Alright.
I thought it was already painted. What the fuck?
Hey, post for the gram. Wait, how much is that?
Wait, hold on, I got it.
Bro, you balling out, bro. Hold on. Post for the gram.
Hold on,
Oh,
I gotta
shit,
put some more cash in.
My bad, bro. Wolfie, I'm sick of your barking. Alright. Hey. Oh shit.
Damn, let me get that
Oh,
one.
bro. Hold on, bro. For the gram. Solid, bro. Solid.
Thank you.
Cash flow.
Cash money.
Pull out $1. Found it or not?
Alright, guys. So that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. Leo.
What?
So what's up with the ECU?
Oh, I just need 2 more little desoldering things to do, and then I can solder it in, and that's it.
Ooh, guys. So
I just lagging because everyone came.
yeah, guys. So we got hella sidetracked. Like those guys came to look at the motor, and that took like a solid while, and then the rest of the squad came through. So
Yeah, I'm lucky hungry.
You addressed the elephant in the room with the subscriber thing?
Yeah.
oh yeah, we should probably talk about that.
Hey, guys.
So we're not gonna say any names, but a subscriber has came to Leo's house. When? Twice? Yeah, twice. So the first time was like a few months ago, or maybe like half a year ago.
And you still remember the address.
And he told Leo's dad that like he knew Leo, and then Leo's dad was like, oh yeah, and then he told Leo, or he told him where Leo works and all that. And then that same guy pulled up to Jose's house yesterday, stopped by at Leo's house before that, and guys, like, it's cool you guys want to support us and want to meet us, but that's not the way you go about it, guys. You don't just pull up randomly, unsolicited at someone's house like that, you know, like
Creepy.
yeah, like guys, it's not right in so many ways.
Like we still live at home with our family.
Yeah, we got family and all that. Like, it's cool, we appreciate the love, but guys, that's not how you go about it. If you guys want to meet us or something, DM us. Maybe we'll go to a meet or something and link up that way. But guys, that's not the way you go about it. So guys, please don't do that.
We do love
All
you
right.
guys, though. We do love the support.
Yeah, guys, but like we said, that's just, it's not cool, and that's just,
Showing up at my house, help me wash my car.
yeah, that's just not the way you
At
guys
least
do
bring
it.
food or something, man.
Right, Wolfie?
Where?
That's right.
Where?
But with that being said, guys, yeah, so Monday, we are gonna rip out the motor, the final B swap from the Civic. And guys, so a lot of content is coming because me and Leo are gonna do full makeovers on the Civic. Wolfie!
Give him the 40 bucks.
Stop.
Shut the fuck up.
He's about to jump out.
Thank you. So guys, so much content is coming. Me and Leo are gonna completely make over the Civics, and guys, it's gonna be so sick. So thank you guys for tuning in today. Hope you guys enjoy. Like if you did, subscribe if you're new. And yeah, guys, next video is most likely gonna be us ripping out the motor, and that it's gonna be lit, guys. So see you guys in the next video.